Oh, sideways. There we go. We're not letting anybody in yet. Oh, that goes on there again. That goes on there again. You're alive.
Stay. Don't go. So Mohawk chop.
Can y'all hear us okay?
Yeah.
Hee.
Here. Mystery Mvhayv. Tapido. Yeah. Mvhayv. Mvhayv di. Ada salapto. Yui. Jenikta. Takitahania. Ye jakcha mado jige jidos. Yeah. Mijiangi. Yeah. Napohisko magiangi. Adaman Aleji Jahandawi. Morning, glad to see y'all again. Y'all, Mystery Mvhayv is back. And the first one, glad to see y'all back again. We remember this word maybe about 3 weeks ago. Napohisko. That's what we're going to say. Napohisko. And everybody say it.
Nakpohisko.
Nakpohisko.
Everybody.
Go. Nakpohisko.
Nakpohisko.
Keep it going. Nakpohisko. Everybody.
Nakpohisko.
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 Let's see. There you go. All these. You can call anybody you want.
Uh-oh, there's Gabidina Butler. Can you say that? Raylene, Magas.
Nakpohisko.
Well, we said it for past 3 days. It's 4 days now. What's it? Okay. Mystery Mvhayv Johojifkados. My name is Mystery Mvhayv. Philip Harjo Johojifkados.
Adam Maga.
Philip Harjo.
Oh, okay. Mado.
He Nakpohisko. He's going all over the place, going all over the world. Isladanga. From north to east, Manado. Stay. He's taking these letters to y'all. Gee, my God, he's taking it to California, to the north, to the south, South Pole, North Pole, Argentina, wherever. They're gonna learn how to say Nakpohisko. Hope he don't run out of Niha, this airplane. Hope he don't run out of gas. So, Mado, we done said Nakpohisko. Hayomi, Aleji Jagis. Let's start out with the clan. Imalegida. Imalegida. Don't know what that is? Imalegida. Can y'all hear me?
Stonewall Jibohas.
do the wrong audio. Let me see. Can you hear us better? No, not really work. Okay. Can you hear us now?
Jabohakcha. Nga. Iya imalagida. Man gistahan dui mutanita. Hey, doctor, y'all see these words?
Mhm.
You want me to make it bigger? But don't blow up the TV. Okay, here. Winkland, my God. Odogogi. Magidado. Odogogi. Odogogi. Odali. Nga Hodal Ogogi. Panther. Tiger Clan. Gotchogi. Magido. Pocha. Gotchogi. Gotchogi. Madawat. Gotchogi. Amalegidado. Tiger Clan, that's my clan. OS. Gotchogi da buffni bifat kidoido. Anda litkamahaga vidaido. Or buffni bifat kido, maybe about 30 miles an hour. And that 2 miles an hour litkadui. Only run 2 miles an hour. So, Hayui, dear clan maga, Ijo Ogi. Ijo Ogi? Ijo Ogi da Daski Fulidoido. See these deers, they jump up and down. Onga. Mahagajogo Fuliangida. Gotchogi. Chokishi. Intaki. Oja. Man. Usually Magagi Bohaganga. You know, when I was in school, they tell us that reindeers, they pull Santa Claus. But Kikabisco, no. OS. Dogosagi Maga. Bear Clan do. Nogosagi. Bear Clan. Aba baraki akchi aknawa rakabogi duido. Nogosagi. You go out in the woods, you see bears out there. The bingali jagiduiste. They sure make you scared. If we see a bear, we can't run. But no go soggy. No go soggy. The skunk clan maga. Gono pagi. The lega naskaba. Gono pagi magido. Gono pagi. Gono pagi. Unga gono augi magagi. Gono augi. OS. It's kind of difficult to explain what gono augi is because we don't have that much in our clan society. Mujanita. Today, there's few of them that are out there, you know. Ayui, onayaga, ohima hiskodowi, gonopagi maga, OS. Adam, Beaver Clan Maga. Ishjashwagi Magiro Forcha. Ishjashwagi Magiro. He doctor Forcha. Digabejagi here. Maga here. Josh Wagi. Josh Wagi. Josh Wagi. 4 syllables dos go away. Magiro. Man, Dilidafagis, we can break it down. Break it down. Dilidafagis, Maga. You can break it down, Magiro. Adam. Raccoon Clan, Maga. Joshua. Oloksagidui. Mass only Mijagidui. OS. Wodgagi. Magagi. Ojifka. Wodgagi. Algi Ojigo don't know what. Wodko. Ma Hojifka dui. Onata. Pola. Adam. Hodali Magia. Windo. Clan Dogodui. Hodali. Algi Aleji Alek Nawa. Hodolgagi Magagish. Madamoin. Gotcha. You can say it the same way too. Gotcha by itself. But everything you put together, all goggy. Mamijagish, gotchagi. Madamoin, all goggy, mawa, ma idaleji dundo. Clans, my God. What goggy? Adam. Owa. Up for lot. The water creature, clan, my God. Atiachagi. Magagish. Atiachagi. He doctor here. Porta. Atiachagi. Magido. Porta. This is how you say the clan. Water creature clan. Atiachagi. Atiachagi. The alligator clan, my God. Hobadaagi. Magido. Porta. Hobadaagi. Adam. Bird clan, my God. Pushwagi do. Pushwagi. He doctor Pushwagi, my God. Here, Lega, Bird clan. Adam sweet potato clan, my God. Ahalagagi, my Gido. Ahalagi, my Gido. Ahalagagi. OS. That's how you say the sweet potato clan. Ahalagagi. Adam. Fox, my God. Fox, my God. Jula Augie. Jola Augie. Jola Augie. Jola Logie. Julagi. Julagi, my Gido. Jola Augie. Jola Augie. Adam. Yahala Augie, my Gido. Yaha Augie. Wolf clan. Yaha Augie. Yaha Augie. Wolf clan. Well, for Little Easter. There's some out there. Adam. Turtle clan, my God. Loja Augie. Loja Augie.
You can probably say Lojalgi or Lojalgi.
Lojalgi. Tuas magigi Lojalgi. Lojalgi. Turtle Clan. Yo Jito. Augie Magiro. Snake Clan. Jito Augie. Jito Augie. OS. Shogi no Jidoanga. Somijitos. Yeah. Imalagida. Ebodo Toyangi. Sosa Awiyangi. So Gahani Dojagidawa. Imalagida. OS. 15 adigi Yuzi Dewey. OS. Somiji Bidos. OS. Abawa. Adam.
Mahaya.
Nagidi. Okay.
Legend Hitagodas.
Ayata. Dito Augie Maga. Snake Clan.
Okay. Sweet potato.
Ahala Augie. Aha La Augie. Ahala Gagi. These are some of the clans that we use.
Is there a reason why Yaha Augie has the hyphen and the others don't?
The reason is because for Wolf Clan, you have to say the separation. Yahalgi. No one says Yahalgi. But for some of the other ones that he's mentioned, like Fox, Turtle, and Snake, some might say Algi, some might say Julalgi. Same with, like, say, Snake, Jitdalgi or Jitdoalgi. So Yaha is the one that has to be separated. So Yaha Algi.
Madam.
Yaha Augie. Yeah. Maga. Anui. Anda. Jagisa Dido. That hyphen Maga. I never use these kind of marks.
Yeah.
Commons or Maga. Hanui Amaha Dido. Anda. That's how the elders taught me at the ground. I knew it for Jejida. So, do we Magagidi win clan? Everybody.
Odolgolgi.
Odogogi.
Otodolgi.
Ga.
Hotogogi.
Magi Mahawks. Everybody. Amogakta. Odogogi. Odogogi.
Odolgolgi.
If you don't want to call on somebody, I can open it for you.
Okay. Language program. Magigi. Christy Maga. Win clan.
Hotodolgi.
J.
Hotodolgi.
Ga.
Shaila.
Shaila. Jinda.
Hotodolgi.
J. Me Tiger. Maga. M Tiger. Nga.
Try one more thing.
Anthony. Can you hear me?
Odolgolgi.
J.
I'll do the next one.
Okay. Let's just say all together. Gochogi.
Gacholgi.
Chogi. Panther clan.
Jogi.
Okay. Deer clan. Ichoogi.
H-O-G.
Olgi.
Jogi.
Ichagogi.
Hmm?
Olgi.
Nokosolgi.
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 Nokosolgi. Ga.
Nokosolgi.
Nokosolgi.
Solgi.
Konipalgi. Konipalgi.
Nepalgi.
Konopolgi.
Unga. Gonoolgi.
Noolgi.
Konoolgi.
Olgi. Ijoswalgi. Magak.
Jaswalgi.
Joswalgi. Yana, how would you say raccoon clan? Wutgogi. Uh-huh. Wutgogi.
Wutkolgi.
Yada, water creature. How would you say that?
Aktia Jolgi.
Ataya Jolgi.
Jolgi.
Taya Chulgi.
Uh-huh. Alligator clan.
Olbadolgi.
Holbadolgi.
Halpadogi.
Mm-hmm. Bird clan. About the bird clan.
Fuswalgi.
Wolgi, bird clan. Uh-huh. Sweet potato clan.
Ahalagolgi.
Ahalagolgi.
Halagol.
Nokosolgi.
Halagogi. Uh-huh. Fox clan. How about the fox clan?
Ulgi. Ulgi.
Julaogi.
Jologi.
Julaogi. Uh-huh. Wolf clan.
Yahala Ulgi.
Yahaolgi.
Julaogi. Uh-huh. Bird clan.
Lojolgi.
Jogi. Uh-huh.
Chulgi.
Egg clan.
Jitolgi.
Jitogi.
Dolgi.
Dolgi.
Okay, put them back up there. Mvskoke. Nosogogi Nation. What is your clan?
Nosogogi.
That's what he says. Yeah. Say, yeah. What is your clan? Lana?
Wutlogi. Wutlogi doyas.
Yeah.
Otogolgi.
Rebecca. Cinda. What is your clan? Okay. Rick. Cinda. What is your clan?
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Mhm.
It was hard to hear you when you said it. So we don't.
Olgi.
I think
Go, go. That it? Odogogi? Odogogi?
Otogolgi.
Hey. Wow, that one.
is it Dina or Deanna?
Dina.
Dina, about you, what's your clan?
Wutgogi.
Wutgogi, Mutsi. AC? Jinda, what is your clan? Can you hear me? You in,
They're good.
what is your clan?
I don't know. I'm sorry.
Okay. Ella, Jinda, what is your clan?
Wutlogi doyas.
Wutgogi, Mutsi. Ted? Tad, Jinda.
Ojesko.
Yeah. You did a.
Okay, Christy go?
Jinda. Christy?
Kachulki.
Chogi. Megan. Jinda.
Megan might be at work.
Okay. Shaila. Jinda. What is your clan?
Ododogi.
Hey. Tyler. Jinda.
I don't know either.
Okay. Ooh, Raylene. Jinda.
Wutko Ogi.
Woodgoggy. Anthony.
Ijogi.
Jogi. Okay. E. Frank. Jinda.
Ogi, I'm a leg of the dos.
Mavis.
They might be at work too. Did we do Kirsten?
Kirsten. Jinda.
Odogogi to us.
Good. All right. You see, we have all connection all over the world. You know, some have to go to work out of town to make a living. You know, all these clans, we all come together. Either way, we kind of like, I would just explain that. All together. Mogi Idilegi do we? We're all together. Some form or somehow, you know, we kind of like brother and sisters or aunts and uncles, grandpa, grandkids, you know. Can you kind of explain it?
Yeah.
This right here.
So, basically, like for example, not only does the clans intertwine all of us, but when you're in the clan, someone who's in the same clan as you is your brother, your sister, your aunt, your uncle, your grandma, your grandpa. So for example, Mahaya Harjo here is Gotjulgi, and I'm also Gotjulgi. So we'd be considered related clan-wise. So other people who are your clans are also your family. And then the clans all look out for each other as well.
Let's see. There's another TV show over here on my left. I see myself talking. He was waving at me. So, okay, you get the understanding of this?
Mahaya, do you know, Struling, Emilagi Raston, Abagahan Chiskeho, and Struling meets Agadi.
Like, Idihala Daga Manokcha.
Like I said, I'm not first by the West. So who decided that my family was going to be birds?
I guess the first one they saw. Nagidi. Akluwahi, Ika Igana, Hadan Hobiti, Hija Fulangi. Hisagi the Masi, Unga Hodali, Hofegit, Hobiti, Ayi Jajan, Istagi, Hijaga, Man, Ihoji Father, these Mahogin, Sanda. Back then, when we come from the earth, you know, they said that the first animal we saw that's what we picked as a clan. Mahogin Boheman Sanda.
Mado.
Nga. Chagista ganawa here, Tapuila Amane Jahando.
Just don't go, Eli.
Inimahinos.
Okay, what was that one question?
It was right here.
It says Mvskoke.
Was it this one?
Muddy water. Great.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Magia. Amogapcha. Idi haladi doi. Unga. If you go stomp dance, these are the names that partake in our ceremonial ground. OS. You have to earn your name. The guys does. The women's don't get at our ceremonial ground. You know. He talked to go Jimahado is down. I just want y'all to learn your name, Magida. So we say the claims again when you get done entering back.
You're good.
Okay, Bado. Adam, Mizagi. Odogogi. Odogogi. Adam.
Odogogi.
Gachogi.
Gacholgi.
Ichoogi.
Ichoolgi.
Ogi.
Nogosogi.
Nogosolgi.
Gonoogi.
Olgi.
Ogi.
Olgi.
Adam. Ijoswogi.
Ijaswolgi.
Otgogi.
Otgolgi.
Atiachogi.
Aktaya. Jolgi.
Hobadaogi.
Holbeda olgi.
Ogi.
Ushwogi.
Pushwolgi.
Ahalagogi.
Hologolgi.
Jologi.
Jololgi.
Wotgogi.
Ogi.
Lojaogi.
Lojolgi.
Chittoogi.
Olgi.
Hiyamaga. Ajulagi abuna pumanaho yadida. Hiya. Gotcha dochi noa. Adam. Hopti gotcha don't know what. Idi bagida. Dogo do is mao gimbo he machanda. You know, our elders used to tell us if you're a tiger clan, if there's a lady or a woman out there that same clan, that you can't marry them. It will break the system. You know, that's what I heard from our elders back then. You know, if you go hunting, if you want to eat a tiger, bear, skunk, beaver, raccoon, bird, whatever, if you're part of that clan, you can't shoot it or you can't eat it. You know, that was told back way before then. You know, this is what I hear, tell my people, but you know, I would say one thing, but I better not. So this right here, raccoon clan. So
For the story?
yeah,
It's just a story, isn't it?
yeah.
Yeah.
Underground, I told you.
Well, if it's
I
from
better
the,
not.
if it's from the ground, yeah.
Nah,
Let's
better
not.
not. When they something happened back about a month ago at that ground. I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna share it. So that's our clan system right there. One of these days I will tell y'all. Yeah. Let's go to what was it?
The first one. No,
Okay.
the second one.
What they Nadawa. Nakpohisko. That's my favorite word. Nakpohisko. Okay. ceremonial ground maga man gislahandui. Ceremonial and traditional items. Oja turtle shell maga loja magedado loja Adam ball sticks mahoga. You know, today they always say ball sticks, stick ball sticks. I never heard of that. Stick ball sticks, maho get on. I don't know who changed that. Back then, when it said ball sticks, it says dogon he. You know, we use that for friendly game or dig a buggy. That's what you call east and west. They got separated stick ball. I was gonna say stick ball sticks, but ball sticks, they're separated from friendly game to the east and west game. Okay. Dotka, that's a fire. You know, we usually keep that at our camp house cooking, the women's cook. You know, dotka. That's what we call Opunvkv. Fire, dotka. You know, this one, yarn belt, my God, yarn belt or belt. C1 nagida. It goes around your hip, either one or two sides. C1 nagida. Okay. Hey, leg up. Rattler, my God. Soga. And this one right here, kind of our instrument that what maybe the country singers sing. That's our instrument right there to make our noise. Soga. Some made out of coconut or turtle shells. Soga. Rattle. Magido. Nga hiya. Onna acha. Hiya ribbons oja gidui. Hista. In hitska dues. Mija gidui. You'll see these ribbons. They put different colors on their dress. Let me say it. Duck fuwa. Magido. Ribbons. Duck fuwa. I'll say it again. Duck fuwa. To dance with shells or cans. Loja. Sabanida. Loja sabanida. Or you can say it hollow. Loja. You see this one and that. Hey, lega. Timasaki the way. Yeah. Hista. Pia. Loja nini not for the way. These turtles are on the road that you can pick up early in the morning. This one here, cans. They're either milk cans or tomato cans. Tomato sauce can. You know, yeah. More, they're different. They make different sounds. This one here is probably like maybe 15, 20 on there. It depends on the size you want. The baby ones usually get 2 each. Then it goes up from 6 up to whatever you need. I think this one probably have 8. Depends your style. You know, these right here are the main ones that we used during our women's dance. These are the main one. The main 4 that the Mikos picked, that's what they had to use. But they also can use this for ribbon dance. Okay, let's go to ball. Boko, Magido. Boko. Boko. Can y'all say it? Boko. Boko.
Boko.
Boko.
Okay.
Boko.
Boko. Okay, Hilega to build a fire. Dotka, Idijida, Idijida. Okay. Dotka, Idijida. Dotka, Idijida. To rattle the rattle, my God. Soga, Haida. Soga, Haida. Yeah, Soga, Haida. Okay, Honna, that's our dress. Plain dress or whatever. Or as ribbon dress, Magido. Yeah. Honna, Tokfowa, Magadiwede. Honna. Okay, here they are right here. Ribbon skirts, my God. Honna Lija. Honna Lija. Yeah. Honna Lija. Honna Lija. Kia Jimahayagia in Jogado. Yeah. Banga. Yeah. Spolia man Juzagidui. Mamijagidui. Oas. About that. Ajagidui mada onaiskodaidui. These are some part of the ceremonial grants that we use. Sometimes we can't share. Ajolagi Maga elders used to tell us that. So let's say this one. How would you say turtle? Loja.
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 Ball sticks. Dogonhi.
Dogonhi.
Dogonhi. Okay. Fire. Dotka.
Dotka.
Totka.
Loja.
Okay, this one here is Siwanagida.
So Wanigada.
Siwanagida.
Wanagida.
Nagada.
No? Are they kind of hard to say? Little bit? Oh. Let's go to this word and see if it's hard. Oh my God.
Akpohisko.
What's it?
Poisto.
If you can say this word, you can say the other ones. I'm lost now.
The second one.
Mahaya, could you go back to, okay, yeah. I need to see that bottom row again.
Okay. This one here?
Uh-huh, yeah. And then, oh, that's the one I lost. Okay, all right.
Let's start here and go up.
To rattle the rattle?
Uh-huh.
That's what I meant.
Haida. Soga Haida.
Soga Haida.
Uh-huh.
Soga Haida.
Yeah, it's probably fine. I don't know what's inside of that coconut. Might be some pebbles or little rocks in there, enough to make the sound go like that.
The lago Mvhayv.
Probably rocks. Jadon, rocks. I've never seen them. You know, might be rocks or pebbles in there. Maybe river rocks, little bitty ones. There's not very much in there, maybe about 10, 11, 12. But it makes the sound. You got the rhythm to do it. Oga Hayida. Can y'all say it? Oga Hayida.
Oga.
Hayda.
Oga Hayida.
Dogo Hayda.
Okay. Ribbon dress. Honna.
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 Ribbon skirt. Honna. Lija.
Onna.
Lija.
Lija.
Honna Lija.
Ground. Lija is kind of like under the bed, under the house, under the car. Lija, it's like a floor. Lija, Honna Lija.
Onna.
Okay, let's say ball, boko,
Boko.
boko. Okay, Loja, sabanida.
Docha.
Goncha Sabanida.
Loja sabanida. Sabanida is like the dance. Sabanida is the dance. So, kind of like with sabanida. With sabanida. Loja is a turtle. We use that as hollow. Hollow sabanida. Hollow sabanida. Okay, ribbons. Topfua.
Pulwa.
Topfua.
Fulwa.
I hear the sound. Topfua. Yeah, you can't spell it the way you sounded. Topfua. Okay. Soga.
Oga.
Soga. Soga.
Oga.
Okay, yeah. Siwanagida.
Iwanagida.
Siwanagida.
Iwanagida.
Arm belt or belt. You can use that as a belt. Siwanagida. Siwanagida. Okay. Dotka.
Dotka.
Dotka. Okay. Ball sticks. Dogonhi.
Opunvkv.
Dogonhi. Okay. Loja.
Loja.
Loja. Y'all get it? Y'all get the sound?
Hihi.
Somebody will edit and put it on Facebook, on YouTube. Okay? Hey.
Mado.
Oh, here's some more right here. I forgot. The whole store out there. I forgot. Ribbon vest, my God. sigo.
Siko.
Sakpa sigo.
Siko. Siko.
Sigo. Sakpa is arms. Sakpa, arms. Sigo. That means arms. No arms, Magido. Sigo is nothing. Okay, here's that thing we was talking about. The difference. Alo. Alo.
Alo.
Allo.
Alo.
Alo.
See this hollow right here? And Luja's on the left. Necklace or bead, my God. Gonawa. Gonawa.
Gonawa.
Gonawa.
Nawa.
Bead. Gonawa.
Gunawa.
Gonawa.
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 Gunawa.
Okay, this is where we eat camp, my God. Hubble. Okay. Hubble.
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 Okay. Sapasigo.
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 Halo.
Alo.
Alo.
Hello.
Gonawa.
Gonawa.
Gunawa.
Hubble.
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 So these are some of the culture we use at our ceremonial ground. I thought I would share it with y'all today. Yeah. Ojia. Manu. Mija Gidoi. Yeah. Moga. Banga Aichanoa Oja Gidoi. Yeah. OS. Yada Ajagidoi. They won't let you touch this one because it's pretty sacred, you know. OS. Any of this, they probably let you look at them, use them, but you got to ask permission to use some of these. You know, I should have put a pole out there with a cow head or horse head on a pole. That would a Mvskoke. Mvskoke.
Mvskoke.
Mvskoke is a where you play ball at. Mvskoke. Maybe if I found a picture, now we'll share it with y'all next when the Mvhayv comes out. Mvskoke. It's kind of like this. You see this thing right here? Got a head on there. You know, you gotta hit that head to hit a point. Maybe you might hit a head, maybe 4 points. Below, there'd be a mark there. From there up to the head, that probably be 1 point. You know, there's a lot of things that you can learn at the ceremonial ground. Wes, do y'all have any Abuka? Do y'all have any questions? If I can't answer it, Eli will answer it. Got me.
Hadida say book on one of you yourself. There was another word you added to it, boko.
You should talk about the word for pole.
Gubby.
Word for pole.
Pole, Gubby,
Gubby, how do you spell that?
Ubby. What's that, Hondo?
Mado.
Gubby. That's for ball pole.
Ball what?
Ball pole. Pista. Ball pole, my God. Okabi. Okabi is a ball pole. Maybe you might have a head on there like that. You'll see it?
I can't see it.
See the picture? Yeah. Hey, doctor.
Monks?
I just put a box on top of this right here. Yeah. Yeah, that can work too. Some ground uses that. Lotto. Fish. So I just want to say mado to y'all for giving me the opportunity to the clans and the ceremonial items. You know, some may not heard of this, what we use at our grounds. Well, if we have to review it again when I come back, we will do it again. You know, it's been good 1 hour, you know, to share my language with y'all. Before I leave, I want to leave this with y'all. That word.
Nakpuhisko.
Ah, that's my favorite word. I leave that with y'all.
Mvhayv.
Mado.
Oh,
Maya.
yeah. Nakpuhisko.
Mvhayv.
Yeah.
And we wanted to mention that the words we shared today are the words that we deem okay to share. So we want to make sure that the sacredness of the ceremonial grounds is kept, and we only share what we deem as necessary and what we deem as safe to do so. So these are things that Mahaya Harjo and I agreed on not to share with the class.
Mado.
No.
But you're not, excuse me, Mahaya, Mamagitsa, you know, July, I mean, you can't touch them or, you know, but as a learning tool, can you talk about them in that situation?
You probably can. Just,
It's very dependent on what that ground deems as appropriate. So we work to make sure we're hitting the point that most grounds are comfortable with. We don't want to go beyond that or step on any toes.
Mahaya.
Because like myself, and I don't know how many other of these students, we've never been to one. And so I have no idea what, well, I have been recently, but I didn't grow up in that environment. So I don't know. So if I went to, well, the first time I went, we got in trouble because we were sitting where we weren't supposed to be sitting. But I didn't know that. And we just thought it was a place to sit and watch. And so we did. So they asked us to leave. But that's because we didn't know. But I think that some of these things maybe are, you know, these other students that live out of state or grew up out of state or away from the, you know, away from the tribe and ceremonial grounds. We don't know those things, and it might be helpful, you know, if they ever get the opportunity to go visit, you know. And so we were just walking around, and we sat down in one of those little arbors, and they came and told us to leave. But yeah, but that's just because we didn't know, and so they said, well, you're supposed to be learning those things. And as old as you are, you should know. And I thought, this is the first time I've been to one. And he looked at me and he said, I said, I didn't grow up here. I grew up in another state. And it was like, oh my gosh. So anyway, Mado.
Yes, and it just comes down to what all the grounds kind of are appropriate with. A lot of, even though rules are important to know, a lot of grounds state that you have to go to the grounds and limit the grounds. You don't want it being shared in other places. So, if you go to grounds, just be careful. Don't be afraid to ask somebody if you can sit somewhere, and stuff like that. There are a few ground rules that we have that I think that we share, that's okay. We'll kind of double check and look over and see what we can share, and maybe we can do that on one of your next classes or something for that. But for the most part, we're very careful on what we choose to share. So these were allowable.
Yeah, we can share these because they're still sacred, but we take these home with us to our home.
Mahaya, not Magida Ojes. On the Tokonhi, I wanted to I'll be brief on touching those sticks. It all depends on which game you're playing. On Tigabuggy, those women, they don't touch those sticks. We see other tribes playing that game, and it kind of upsets us when those other tribes let their women use those sticks. But in the other game, when you play on the pole, that Hombedahaya, Tusigeya, Mvskoke.
Yeah.
On that game, those women grab those sticks all the time because the men forgot you are not supposed to play with the same sticks in the Tigabuggy as you play in the Hombedahaya, Tusigeya, Mvskoke game.
Yeah.
And so that's the difference on touching those sticks, and I just wanted to bring that up. And sometimes a long time ago when we used to sing those songs over the game, there were some women that had rattles because they were singing the power for that team to win.
Yeah.
So there are exceptions to some of these things, and like Mahaya Eli said, it all depends on which ground you go to. Yeah.
Yep.
The big thing would be any of these items do not touch without asking is the number one rule, basically.
But you can build a fire. You have to. You got to stay warm to eat.
But don't do it unless it's in a place you're allowed to.
In your house. You got to cook to eat. You got to have fire. Mado. See y'all next time.
No.
Bye.
Bye.
I come as Mvskoke next time. Hello.